Hi, this is Ivo from Revolution Driving School. Our new videos are coming. First one is going to be parallel parking. For parallel parking, we're going to pull over next to the car, mirror to mirror. Right signal on, no cars coming, and the tail light of the other car should be in the middle of our back door. We turn the wheel all the way right. All the way. We're going to back up. Keep looking back towards your right shoulder, mirrors. When you see the triangle in the mirror, at the same time, you see the back of the car in the middle of our front door. We turn the wheel back to straight. And then we're going to start backing up till we make the triangle very tiny. And then when it's tiny enough, you turn the wheel all the way left till you become parallel, which you can see it in the mirror. Gear to drive, wheel back to straight, pull up, get closer to the car, leave like 3 feet, put the gear to park, the parallel parking is done.